I bought this to refinish my dining room chairs. I had zero experience with this type of project, but this sander was incredibly helpful. I don't think I would have finished the project if I had to do it by hand. The only thing I didn't realize was that it has a dust collector, but if you turn the machine upside down when you're sanding, the dust all falls out anyway. Wouldn't be a big deal, but I was working outside and ended up with the dust all in my face. Like I said, I did not know what I was doing. So keep it right side up and it works really well. Click the Buy Now link to go shopping. For more product reviews, subscribe and visit onegoodreview.com. As an Amazon associate, this channel earns from qualifying purchases.